to the salon. Cause I'm dilly dallying. I'm just a girl. We got Marshalls, Ross, and Ulta's right there. This one and this one. This is really pretty. These are some cute little makeup mirrors, vanity mirrors.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
It's that time, y'all. Let's go to the salon. Got my water. Ooh. Somebody crashed down there.
Good morning, how are you? Good.
Thank you. Baby, this relaxer got me all the way together. I love my hair, y'all. So now, y'all know. Y'all already know I gotta run errands. So what do I want to do? I want to go to Five and Below. And I may go to Ross and TJ Maxx because they're all in that little same area. I don't have nothing that I need to buy. But, of course, I got to run girl errands, so come with. We got Marshall's, Ross, and Ulta's right there. So we're going to start at Ulta. See what they play when I walk in. Let's smell some perfumes. So this is the bouquet. Smells good. I like all these. That one not as much. Okay, so I'm a fan of the pink and yellow. So that's orchid and this one and this one. I also wanted to smell the Burberry Goddess. I smelled Burberry Her last time. Oops. But the other Ulta didn't have the Burberry. I want to smell this bottle too. Smells good. Well, they don't have a tested. What's up with the Burberry test? Oh, they have the all those tests locked up too. How am I gonna smell it? Maybe those are the popular ones that get gone fast. Daisy by Marc Jacobs is one of my faves, but I want to smell the Daisy Wild. That smells good too. The Daisy Wild smells good. Okay. Well, I smelled this Billie Eilish before, but I think I need to revisit it since I'm in my vanilla gourmand era. The initial spray, but the dry down smells good. It's alright. Yeah, the number 2 is giving more grown, sexy, more heavy, like kind of like a baccarat. I still smell like Billie Eilish. It smells good. But a dilly dally day for me is just about doing the things that I like to do. You don't necessarily have to spend any money, but you just take some time, smell the flowers, look around, see what you see. Now, if something piques your interest, you can buy it. But a dilly dally day is just you getting out and just doing things that you like to do. Because we're just girls. Am I going in the wrong door? I love the girly parts of life. It's a little line for the dressing room. I love these bracelets. Oh, that one in the back is really pretty. And they look like they're only $9.99. Yeah, I definitely want to look at that one. See if there's any perfumes that pique our interest. I don't see anything. These are cute little strappy strappy heels. But I think I already recently bought some kind of like this. The options don't be really that many. Those are cute. And my size anyway. This is really, really cute, actually. It's only $14.99. Let me think. Ooh, look at the Barbie fridge. That's hot. Insulated food jar. These are some cute containers, but I need some skinnier ones so they can fit easily in my lunchbox. Kind of like this, but longer. So cute. I love that. This one, I really love this one. That's so cute. This is really pretty. I need something going on the side of my TV. I want two identical plants, but I want it to be taller, like at least this tall to go next to my TV. That's really pretty. This is pretty. Or Hello Kitty diffuser. It's the pumpkin for me. Oh, it lights up. Okay, the line was long, so I'll change my mind every time. Every time. You don't want to go and see them minutes? I'll go in there and see what's in there. These are some cute little makeup mirrors, vanity mirrors. It's really cute. How much is it? Oh, okay. It's $1.99. That's cute. Oh, I love this chunky bracelet. Look at these. $8. That's so cute. It's $14.99 in here. Honestly, I would want this just for the bottle. It don't even smell like nothing worth calling home about. Forgot that it's back to school next week. So that's why it's extra packed out here. I'm about to go by Five Below, but if it's too packed, wall lamp LED mirror. Those are cute. Ow. I ended up getting that glitter mouse that I had showed in another video. I came back and got it. Alright, y'all, so I'm back home. I got on my favorite PJs, showered, face routines done, hair wrapped, because you know I gotta keep these curls together. that's it for today's little girly dilly dally adventure. I may not have bought a ton of things, which I don't think, the only thing that I think I bought was that mouse from Five and Below. But getting my hair done gave me that boost of energy to wander around Ulta and Ross and Five Below. Like, you know, when you get your hair done, you gotta run errands. That just is what it is. And I showed you all the little cute things that I found that I saw that was in store. Now I'm back home, showered, comfortable, in my cozy PJs, and I'm winding it down for the night. It's about that time. So if you enjoy hanging out with me, make sure that y'all like this video. Make sure that you comment down below what was your favorite part. And of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it, because you don't want to miss any of my adventures, any of my travels, any of my dilly dallies, any of my girly things. You don't want to miss, so have those notifications turned on. If no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. Well, cherries according to my PJs. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love.